We're in the campus Rapperswil today. Today is the first day of Zurihac, worldwide conference on the programming language Haskell. We have really interesting talks about how Haskell is used by the NASA for space exploration. Then we have a talk by Mary Sharan, for example, who talks about how to use Haskell for hardware description. Also music composition, something you never would have thought about for a programming language.
For me, the fascinating thing about Haskell is that I can embed small languages in Haskell and then do experiments. So it's a way to play with things, for example, with the hardware as I described in my talk.
What I like about functional programming, the reason that I love it, is that I can do so much with so little. I love designing a library with a small and simple API. I'll spend any amount of effort to automate something. And once you've got that library, and it's so easy, and there's so much power at your fingertips.
As someone who writes code to make music in front of a live audience, it's just been a process with Haskell of really getting to the bottom of what rhythm means to me, representing rhythm in these sort of strict types, which really allow me to think about the structure of what I'm working with, which has really helped me push my practice further as a musician and technologist.
When I first found my way into the Haskell community was so damn nice, I didn't know what to do. But I found myself in this community full of people who were who legitimately cared and were legitimately answering all each other's questions and stuff like that, and very intensively interested.
I really liked the general vibe, meeting a lot of like-minded people, and not just with the functional programming, but I met a lot of people with split keyboards. Yeah, and so little Windows user. Amazing.
It's just very inspiring for me to hear the different keynotes and to discuss programming with many different people.
Everybody who comes loves it. It makes people excited. Everybody's it's their thing.
People are just great, and the location is just perfect. And it's also totally non-corporate or pushy, right?
It's a really vibrant setting, and the talks have been very good too. You've put together a good program of speakers, so very pleased to see that.
It's bigger than I thought even. You have all of the experts on all of the things, and just on your fingertips you stand in line, you queue for lunch, and you have some person whose software you use all the time, who you admire, directly in front of you, you can talk to them. So yeah, awesome.
Ostschweizer Fachhochschule, wo Wissen wirkt.